Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're camping at Cattail Cove State Park in Arizona, and we're about to jump in the camper and make some orange chicken. Now for this recipe, you only need a few ingredients. I already have one chicken breast cut into cubes cooking on the skillet. Then we have 2 packages of microwave jasmine rice, and we have a delicious sauce mix. Let me show you how I made it. Now for our sauce, we have orange sauce, low sodium soy sauce, and some minced garlic, squeezed ginger, and some teriyaki sauce. Now the chicken has been cooking for a couple of minutes, so we are just going to dump that delicious sauce on there. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you try out this recipe and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.